If you are familiar with factory design pattern in Java, you will notice that we have a single factory class, and this factory class returns different subclasses based on the input provided, and factory class use if else or switch statement to achieve this. Hello Decodians, welcome back to the Decode Show. I am Rahul Abrol, and today we will understand and implement AbstractFactory pattern. Now, if you have already watched my video on the factory method pattern, it's going to be really easy to understand AbstractFactory pattern. So the AbstractFactory pattern is very similar to factory method pattern. Actually, in some sense, an AbstractFactory is a set of factory methods. So AbstractFactory makes use of multiple factory methods. In other words, if you haven't already watched my video on factory method pattern, pause this video, watch that video, link in the description I have added already, and then come back. And of course, make sure you have a solid understanding of what the factory method pattern is before moving on. So let's understand a few basic things about AbstractFactory pattern. So we'll start with the definition. AbstractFactory is a creational design pattern that lets you produce families of related objects without specifying their concrete classes, which means AbstractFactory method work around a super factory which creates other factories. This method is also called as factory of factories. So I'll explain this definition with the help of a UML class diagram. So let's understand this definition via UML class diagram. In this diagram, we have an abstract product, which is an interface, and concrete classes called products, which implement this abstract interface. And then we have AbstractFactory, which is again an interface for operations that create abstract products. Now we have concrete factory classes which implement the operation declared in the AbstractFactory to create concrete project objects. And then we have client class which use only interfaces declared by AbstractFactory and abstract product classes. The main point regarding AbstractFactory pattern is that this pattern creates a family of related objects that have different parent class or interface. In AbstractFactory pattern, the object creation happens in the same way as factory method. The only difference is the creation of related objects. So let's see an example. So I am going to take an example of mobile factory. So first of all, I'll take two interface. One is Nokia and another one is we have Apple. Alright, both interface contain one method, that is void device info. Okay, and same we have for Nokia. And now I'm going to create concrete classes for these interfaces. So let's say for Nokia we have Nokia 3G, okay, which implements Nokia interface, and we print out the device info here, Nokia 3G device. Alright, and same we are going to create one more Nokia 4G class which implements Nokia interface, and same device info we have this out. Alright, now we have families of related object. One family is of Apple family, another one is Nokia family. Alright, now we're going to create a factory class for 3G mobile factory or for 4G mobile factory. Alright, so before doing that, we are going to create mobile factory. Alright, which is going to be an interface, and in this we have two methods, and then we are going to create implementation classes of this mobile factory. Here we will provide the implementation. Now we will go for a factory generator. So we have a function in this class. Function is not public here. So now we will create a client class which is going to use create factory, and which factory you want to create, let's say 3G factory. Alright, and it will return us the object of mobile factory. Okay, let's run this program. You can see we have 3G device for Nokia and Apple for this. So as you can see, there are two concrete implementation of mobile factory. So one is 3G mobile factory and another one is 4G mobile factory. 3G mobile factory can return 3G supported mobile of Nokia and Apple, who as per definition confirms, which returns a family of related objects that have different variants like Nokia and Apple. Okay, and same goes for 4G mobile factory as well. It can return 4G mobile devices of Nokia, Apple. Alright guys, I hope you understand this abstract factory pattern. In the next video we will talk about the implementation of singleton design pattern. If you have any feedback or question related to this video, please feel free to comment under the comment section of this video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for all the upcoming videos on design pattern. Thank you so much for watching.